Hi, this is Bill the Techno Gypsy. I know it's been a while since I've shot some videos for the channel on my Technog channel, and I wanted to explain to my subscribers why you haven't been seeing that much of me here recently. It's not because I don't have a lot to do, it's because I have a lot to do but I don't have the space to do it in. As some of you are aware, about 5 months ago now, I relocated from Northern Virginia down to the Alabama area. Well, that's been fun on getting studios set up and gear and everything else. So let me take you through and show you some of the problems that I'm dealing with. As we come through here, one of the things I found is that when you buy houses in Alabama, you have a thing called high humidity. And one of the things I found was that in this bedroom in here, this is the master bedroom, the floors with the carpet were horrible because I bought a pre-owned home. So I pulled the floors, pulled all the carpet and the pad out, and then I used Kills primer on the floor to knock out any mold or mildew that was here. And I'm having a wood floor put back in this that matches the wood floor in the rest of the house over here. It's a solid wood floor called Gunstock. It's a very nice, I think it's gonna be very pretty, 2.5 inch wide. So we'll be getting that. So that's been one of the delays. Now I'll show you the rest of the delays. So let's take a walk outside here. Take a walk right outside the screened-in porch. Now, one of the problems that I had not counted on was that over here in this 2-story building that has an apartment upstairs and the studio downstairs was that they had a sewer problem they hadn't informed me of when I bought the house. Turns out they had 3-inch thin wall sewer line. So you can see here, this is the remnants of where I had to put in 60 feet of new 6-inch sewer line on thick wall to clean up all the sewer problems that I had here. So let's walk over here and go to the shop first. So kind of just ignore the boxes that are all outside of here. I've been having to unpack stuff still. So this is the shop. Now I had this whole shop rewired. It turns out that the line that they had been feeding this with was just a 30 amp line, but it was normal standard Romex and was not variable, but they buried it. So it was 10 gauge Romex. I had it replaced with full ditched and trenched and conduited 100 amp line, brought it into a new box that's back over here, so I put in better power here, got things done. I did take the floors here and I put Kills on them as a primer, and then I used this gray porch paint and I put 2 layers of the porch paint on. But you can see that this is going to be a very nice area as I get the workbenches over here cleaned up, the workbench over here cleaned up, and I'm going to put baby pins up into the ceiling and use those to mount lights and cameras. And you can see back over in here, I still have a lot of gear that's in here that I still have to unpack. So this is a shop where I'll be doing a lot of the technology stuff. Let's go on over to the studio. Let me turn off the lights in here. All right, so now we're going into the studio. You can see it's a nice area. It's going to be nice size, work out very well. But now we can look down here and see all the stuff that's on the floor that I had to. It had a sewage problem that was occurring, and that's why I had to put in the 6-inch sewer pipe, 60 feet of it, to redo all of that. Was to clean up all the problems with the sewer here, pull the carpet that had been here, all the flooring. I have new flooring scheduled for 3 weeks from now that it's going to be installed, so it'll be right towards the end of the year. This whole area back in here where my storage is going to have commercial carpeting. All of this area over here is all going to be commercial carpeted. Now you can see I've got a bar. Don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but it was kind of nice that it was already built here. So the bar is going to still be standing here. I've redone all the wiring here. I've redone all the lighting in this area to get it up. I've already put in new Mitsubishi mini split air conditionings, both here and upstairs, to bring this whole place up to date. These are sound curtains that can be pulled to block off different areas of the studio. Over in this area is where I'm going to be using this table down here with the dual microphones, and I already have some of the lighting already installed up here. And this provides a very nice setup. I have neutral density sheeting on the outside of the window there, and that allows me to take this table and the 2 microphones, and this becomes an interview table that's sitting over there. Over here, this is going to be the traditional Technog command center table that I've got. Up in the ceiling there, that is the brick wall backdrop that I'll drop down, and we'll have that all done. And then I have, like I said, this area up here. And the house came, of course, with the Alabama Crimson Tide sticker. But you can tell the floors are in pretty bad shape. But I did quite a bit of work, and now they're going to sit back and take care of the rest of this. The culprit in all of this had been this bathroom. That there was it wasn't the bathroom was the actual problem. It's that there's a bathroom upstairs, and it caused this bathroom to flood. And under Alabama realty laws, that wasn't pointed out. So I ended up putting in 60 feet of new sewer line. So let's head on back out. So, oh, too many so's. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little video where I'm explaining what's been happening as far as the Technog channel and getting different items produced. In fact, this is the first time I've really shot a video that I'm putting onto the site with my GoPros. So this is all new to me also, but I'm enjoying this, and I think I'm going to do more work with the GoPros. You know, it's not like being in the studio with the C200 and all the 1DX and beautiful lenses, but this works, and it will help to get a better connection with you, my subscribers. So if you like what you see and you understand what I've been going through, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. You know, it's coming along. Got a lot of stuff planned for the future. A lot of projects are going to be coming out of here, and it looks like we're going to be kicking off everything around the first of the year. If you'd like to help in any way on this, check out my Patreon page at Technog, Technog. This is Bill, the Techno Gypsy, saying 7-3, and God bless.